If you're a dentist who's been struggling to find more patients online, then listen up because I have an offer for you. This is Kyle Sabra from Hat Local SEO, and we have a free until you rank SEO program for dentists. That's right, you won't pay a dime until you are ranked in Google Maps in the top 3 in the map pack. So forget about paying $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month and waiting 6, 7, 8, 9 months for any results with our free until you rank SEO program for dentists. You won't pay anything until you are in Google Maps. That's right, we will put up our own money and we will do the work, and you won't pay a dime until you see results. So, like I said, instead of waiting and spending $10, $12, $14,000 but to see results from your SEO, contact us for our free until you rank SEO program. So how does this work? So what's going to happen is we need access to your Google business profile and we need access to your website. So we're going to optimize your Google business profile. We're going to make sure all your information is correct. We're going to make sure you have your services listed. We're going to do some posting a few times a week. We're going to make sure that you have your images being posted consistently. And then we're going to take your website. We're going to make a page for the specific keyword or service that you want to rank for. We're going to write the content not just for Google, but for conversions as well. We're going to shoot backlinks over to it. We're going to shoot internal links. We're going to do some magic with schema, which is a type of JavaScript and type of coding language that Google specifically developed. And we're going to throw in some of our own magic to do everything we can to get you into Google Maps, into that map pack. So again, you won't pay a dime until you see results, until you see yourself in Google Maps whenever somebody searches for dentist near me or cosmetic dentist near me, all-on-4 implants near me. You won't pay a dime until you see yourselves there. So what are you waiting for? This is a risk-free offer from Hat Local SEO. So if you want free until you rank SEO for your dental practice, give Hat Local SEO a call today.